Welcome, fellow food enthusiasts, to a tantalizing adventure into the heart of Sichuan cuisine. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of a beloved dish, Sichuan spicy diced rabbit. Imagine succulent rabbit meat, infused with the bold flavors of Sichuan peppercorns, red peppers, and green chilies, all dancing harmoniously in a symphony of spice. Let's now go through the instructions for making this wonderful dish. The meticulous preparation involves decapitating the boiled rabbit, delicately slicing it into bite-sized dices, approximately 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, in dimension. Thoroughly wash the rabbit pieces and rinse well. Put the rabbit in a pot of water and bring to the boil. Wrap 4 spring onions into a circular bundle. Crush 1 thumb ginger. We are going to boil the rabbit for 15 minutes. Once the water is boiling, add the rabbit and pour in a splash of Shaoxing wine. Add the spring onion bundle and crushed ginger to the rabbit for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then remove. Skim regularly to remove impurities. After 15 minutes, remove the rabbit. Whilst the rabbit is finishing the boiling process, let's prepare the required ingredients. Chop 100 grams of dried red chili. Slice ginger into thin strips, julienne, as shown. Chop fresh garlic as shown. Chop 5 green chili into half centimeter pieces. Chop 1 red pepper into small pieces as shown. 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 2 bay leaves. By this time the rabbit should be ready. Remove the blanched rabbit from the water and pat dry. Heat oil in a wok or pan. Fry the rabbit pieces until lightly golden brown and crispy on the edges. It's now time to spice things up. Add the Sichuan peppercorns for that distinctive flavor. Introduce the sliced and diced red peppers and chopped green chilies. Stir fry until they start to soften, ensuring each piece is coated in the spice-infused mixture. Continue to cook until the rabbit is fully infused with the bold flavors. The dish is ready to be enjoyed. Garnish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and chopped spring onions and sesame seeds for that final touch of freshness and crunch. Plate your Sichuan spicy diced rabbit and get ready to impress your taste buds with this spicy delight. As we bid farewell to the aromatic clouds of spice and the tantalizing dance of flavors, we've unlocked the mysteries of Sichuan spicy diced rabbit together. Each bite, a celebration of the rich tapestry of Sichuan cuisine, where spice is not just a flavor but an experience. Whether you've joined us in your kitchen or simply savored the experience through the screen, we hope this journey has sparked a newfound appreciation for the bold and vibrant flavors of Chengdu. If you relish this culinary adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more flavorful episodes. Until our next rendezvous in the world of global cuisine, this is Travel Food Wine, signing off with a sprinkle of green onions and a dash of spice. Happy cooking!